Hey everyone, it's your girl and today we're here with another video. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel right now. As you all know, there's this new trading site called Traderie. It's not a scam site, even though people get scammed all the time from it. So let me tell you guys about Traderie. Traderie is an online trading site that's different from other scam sites. It's 100% scam free. Well, some people get scam free, but still. Traderie is a trading site where you can trade a dummy item, murder mystery items, royal high items, art items, island items, zoom items, and more. If you join their Discord server, which is going to be in the description, you'll see everything. So since I play Adopt Me, I'm gonna click the Adopt Me section. And you have to like make your own account and stuff. And see, this is Traderie's Adopt Me. This is the Traderie Adopt Me section. They have like, this is their Discord server. This is Adopt Me's Discord server, this is Traderie's Discord server, not Adopt Me. This is Traderie's Discord server. If y'all want to join, I'll put that in the comments section so you guys can join. Here we're back at Traderie Adopt Me, and you can get pets, and you can like offer for pets. So if you guys want to know how to start making listings, and I'm showing you guys it. So let's go. So so it says getting started. Buy, make, and manage offers for items you're buying. First, you have to find the listing of an item you'd like to purchase. And to buy an item for the listing price, check the for listing price box. To make an offer, click the Make an Offer button. Enter the item you would like to offer. Click Submit Offer to send an offer to the seller. If your notification settings are turned on, you'll receive a pop-up notification on Discord Discord message indicating your offer has been accepted or denied. To view all open, accepted, or denied offers, click your shopping cart at any time. Click the bold item name on the list. This is how you send a message. It says, sending a message. A seller can send you a message after you made an offer. Once your offer has been accepted, you can send the seller a message. Sending a seller a message. The listing item and offer will appear at the top of the chat page. Once the sale has been completed or if the offer is canceled, you will no longer be able to send or receive messages from the other user. Write and manage reviews. Write a review. Find and click on the user's username that you like to review. Click review. Click write a review. Edit a review. Find and click on the user's username who you like to review for. Find review. Click update review. No, you can only edit a review that you wrote for another user. View reviews from my account. Go to your profile, click the username, top right corner of the page, click reviews. Add items. Two methods. Method 1. Search for item you like to add. Click on the heart. Search which wish list you would like to add them. Add them item to using the drop down menu. Method 2. Find and select the item you like to add. Select which wish list you like to add them item. They went to put the, I don't know why they put them. Add them item to using the drop down menu. Removing items. Go to your profile by clicking your username at the top right corner of the page. Click Mark Bar or Remove. Create Add Items to your wish list. Go to your profile by clicking your username at the top right corner of the page. Click Wish List. Click Create Wish List. Create a wish list. That was for if you're buying something. Next is before you're selling something. So when you're selling, create a listing. Set your status each time you're ready to trade. Indicate when you're online, busy, or offline. To make listings viewable to others, your status must be set to online or busy. If your status is offline, your listings will not show. Manage offers for items you're selling. View offers for items you're selling. You can view, open, accept, or denied offers in 2 ways. Visit your profile, click the Offers tab, click the bold item name on your listing. Accept an offer. To accept an offer, click Accept. When offer is accepted, the item will be marked as sold and other users cannot view it. Once sold, click the Complete button, which will archive the listing from your profile. Reopen and accept the offer. Go to your offer and clicking your username at the top right corner of the page. Click offers. Click reopen. This will remove the item from the accepted tab to the open tab for both seller and the buyer. Click the accepted tab. This will unmark your listing as sold and make it visible to other users again. Sending a buyer a message. You can send the buyer a message after they've made an offer. Click message. Once you complete the offer complete at the top of the chat, you will no longer be able to send or receive messages in the related chat. So now I'm going to start making myself an account. So I'm just gonna pause it so I'm going to show you guys my login. So let's go. So guys, this is how I heard about Traderie. I heard about Traderie by going to this on YouTube. I was looking on YouTube and I seen this TikTok and I was just looking through her videos and I seen this video. And this video, well, I'm gonna let y'all watch it so y'all can see. So let's go watch the video. See, so that's where I got the Traderie from this TikTok. So shout out to best_friends for that video. And now I'm gonna show you where other people got the Traderie from. So let's go. See, other people they found Traderie off of Megan Plays. So shout out to Megan Plays in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe to her channel as well. Pretty sure she has like over a lot of subscribers. But subscribe to Megan Plays. She I don't know, cause I don't know, she's not active as much. But we're going to see the reviews on her page. So let's go. Okay, so this is Megan Plays' Traderie, and we're going to look down at the reviews of her profile. See, some people Dragon Blast said Megan is the best and really fun to watch. Shout out to him. All these reviews, especially she is always making my day. You start calling Megan Plays by Roblox. Follow her. Follow her on Roblox, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, which I already did. Best person ever, made me laugh when I'm sad. She is so pretty and kid. I love her so much. Thank you, Megan, for all you've done. Someone got a 1 star. You know, like people 1 star, but she got more 5 stars than 1 stars. OMG, Megan, please friend me on Roblox username. This is Lemonade1. Please trade me on Traderie. And off of my flower eye dragon, my dream pet's an Neo Owl, evil unicorn, hopefully offer by OMG. I wish I meet you. People think she meant to put Met. Oh, add me back on Traderie if you see this. All these got a lot of reveals. As you see, she has 3,543 reviews, and I see she is a creator of Traderie because it has trade creator on her badge. And yeah, look, she got a lot of followers. So let me show you guys my Traderie. So see guys, this is my Traderie. This is my Traderie right here, and the listing they're taking so long to load, so I'm gonna pause the video, and then when they're done loading, I'm gonna unpause it, so please stand by. So guys, this is my Traderie. These are my pets. So first I'm gonna show you guys the pets. Here are my pets, and if you guys want to offer, please don't comment your offer. Just message me on Discord or Roblox or Traderie, because I don't like having auction offers in my comments. I just delete them, so please don't do that. Anyway, these are my pets, and no, these are what I'm off. These are not what I'm offering. These are what other people told to offer it, but the only reason I put these because I was too tired. So this is mine. I have a red panda. have